Hi Biology. This video will walk you through how to use a gizmo and how to complete a STEM case study with the gizmos. So these are alternative labs. They are things that we would never be able to do in the classroom because we don't have the equipment. So they allow you to walk through them and role play that you're usually solving a mystery or some kind of challenge. So for the photosynthesis STEM case, and your screen will look slightly different than mine, but you've got some important information here. If you did not sign up with us in live class, please follow these instructions to create your Gizmo account. You'll need to, if it doesn't automatically enroll you, you'll need to send me a quick little Teams message of, hey, I signed up, can you approve me? But I believe it's set to auto enroll, so hopefully you won't have any issues. When you're ready, you're going to click here, which will take you to the Explore Learning Gizmos, and it will take you to the login screen, which you will need to remember your username and password. I can check your password and I can send your username to you, but it will, obviously delay you in getting started. So hopefully you wrote that down when we signed up for those in live class. And if you haven't done that piece yet, I recommend your student ID number or your PSD email, and then we can always, a password that you'll easily remember. So if we are taking a look at this, you'll notice there's a lot of activities here, which I use this for many classes. You are looking for the photosynthesis and STEM case is the main one. Don't jump to the lab, that won't help you at all, but STEM case is what you want. And yours will look a little different, but ultimately there'll be a purple launch button, and that is what we're aiming to do. And see, I'm looking at it as a teacher, so it's gonna look a little bit different than what you normally would see. But all in all, it'll take you to the same screen. All right, so when it is ready, you're going to do the walkthrough. We'll see if video or sound comes through on this. There we go. Let me see if I can turn that down. Oh, mute. Hey, there you go. So if you're like, yes, the music is too much, you can go ahead and mute it. I'm going to do it for video's sake, and I'm not sure if it's coming through in the background for you. But I really like Gizmos because it is an all-in-one package. There is no lab write-up that you have to complete. There is no extra assignment or anything. You are going to enter all your answers into the Gizmo, and it will save your progress and save your results. So even if you have to walk away and take a break real quick, it saves exactly where you're at. So it starts you with the background and it will walk you through, here's your scenario, we're studying a coral reef in Florida. It'll walk you through, and if you go in rainbow order, you are going in the correct order. So I kind of like that it has a nice visual there too. And so it gives you your briefing on your situation. It's going to give you the history. I'm not going to walk it through the whole thing because it'll be a lot of information. But essentially, we're doing experiments to figure out what is causing the coral in the coral reef around Florida to bleach and die. When coral turns white, it is dead. So we definitely want to stop that as quickly as we can because it's a very slow to regrow species. Clicking on orange words takes you to the vocab glossary, so you can kind of go through and look up any word that you're unfamiliar with. And as you're working through, it's going to refer you back to the handbook at different points. And this is going to kind of go through the basis of photosynthesis. A lot of this you may know from the notes, but there's going to be some extra explanations that will be helpful. And so if you just stick to the order of the case, it'll tell you when to walk through and do the handbook and what you are looking for. So we'll look at the failing coral, and essentially, you'll keep walking on through. If you have any questions or something seems like it froze or it's stuck, remember it's like Google, it always is saving, so you can just refresh the page and try and reload something. But if you have questions, you're like can't figure out where or when you need to do something, please let me know and I will happily walk you through it as well. When you're finished, all you need to do is go back to our Google Classroom and click Mark as Complete. And that will clue me into going to pull up the gizmo and look at your progress and your answers. Now, like I said, this is in place of a lab. So this is a big assignment. This is a mastery assignment. Your answers on your conclusion questions should not be just a phrase or a couple words. You need sentences, multiple. And I will return it to you and ask you for improvement if you try and get through with too short of answers. So remember, this is your chance to show me that you're solving this case, even if you don't know the answer for sure. You're showing me your thinking, and that's the most important piece. All right, good luck, enjoy. I'm eager to hear how this goes for you and if it's something that you would like to do more of in the future. There's quite a few STEM cases and mysteries to solve, which just makes it a little bit more exciting. So I'm here if you need me. Please reach out via email or Teams and enjoy.